I'm Kat, and in this tutorial I show you how to make this super simple friendship bracelet. It's just a little row of knots down the center of the bracelet, and this pattern actually only has 2 steps, so it's great if you just want to sit down and watch a movie and crank out a whole bunch of these for gifts. There's one row with 2 knots and another row with 3 knots. In the row with 3 knots, you'll want to make sure that once you get the hang of the pattern, you start doing the center knot first. Usually you work from left to right. I do the center knot first when I'm cranking out a whole bunch of these bracelets because that makes it easier to keep my knots from flipping over. This will all make sense once you get started. I'm going to start by cutting my strings to about 45 inches. These really don't have to be very long. I'm going to cut 2 lengths of my darker string and 1 length of my lighter string. Then I'm going to grab the ends, find the middle, and tie a knot. And then I'll clip that up. So I've got my 3 strings folded over, tied in a knot, and I've arranged them this way. I've got 2 dark ones, then 2 light, and then 2 more dark. And this is only a 2-step pattern. It's super easy. First, starting from the left, I'm going to do a forward knot. Then in the middle, another forward knot. And on this side, a backward knot. And for the next step, the 2 outer strings, so the far left and the far right, are going to be left out. I'll pair off these 2 over here and these 2 over here. And I'm going to do a forward backward knot on the left. And then a backward forward knot on the right. So that's your 2-step bracelet, and just keep going until it's as long as you want it. When your bracelet is as long as you need it, tie it off in 2 knots and then braid each side. Then finish off each braid with a knot. And trim the excess. And that's your finished bracelet.